Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up the Ipsy bags for February. So the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag Plus. And you guys, the bags have been so cute from Ipsy lately and this does not disappoint. When I was getting ready before filming, I was thinking about it. I was like, the bags have always been pretty cute, but I feel like they've really improved like over the past year or so. What do you guys think? So of course, Valentine's Day is in February, so we've got the heart theme, even the little zipper. So this bag here, the Ipsy Glam bag is $12, and then we have the Ipsy Plus, which is $28. I did a big clean last night. I like to do that like every new moon. It's a good reminder, and I feel like it's more echoey than usual in here. I'm like, wow, I did a good job, but I'm sorry if you guys can hear that too. Probably even worse for you. I feel like my mic picks up more than reality, so sorry about that. But yeah, Ipsy will be linked down below if you guys are interested in subscribing. The Plus is always in the drawstring bag, and you get to customize one item in the Ipsy bag and 3 out of 5 in the Ipsy Plus, which is all full size. I'm not going to talk too much further about Ipsy because I feel like you guys know all the details, but the link's down below. Let's get this open. Love this. I did try on a few things today, actually. I haven't been doing that lately because I've been trying to use up my makeup and all of that. So we have here, there's one item I used here, and it's the lipstick. So I've realized a lot of my lipsticks are expiring, and I just, I know I give a lot away, and I've been like love doing that, but I'm like, I just feel like trying some new makeup today. And I've tried other lipsticks by Context before, and I saw this color, and I was like, I used to wear like mauve-y shades like this all the time when I was blonder, and I love it. I still like it. I'm like, I don't care if it's not like warm tone. This is in the shade 115, Hide Your Heart. And the shade name even goes with Valentine's Day theme, right? Or even if you are anti-Valentine's Day, Hide Your Heart. Maybe more so that. And hi, by the way, how are you guys doing? I just like kind of jumped right into it. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. If you guys have been around, welcome back. Love ya. Thanks for returning. But I love subscriptions. I open them now every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I hope you consider sticking around. Next up, we have Roller Lash by Benefit. I feel like the packaging looks different. Or is this a newer kind? But super curling and lifting mascara. I had to use a different mascara than my beloved like Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I always use them to I overuse them, like when it's like run its course. I like keep doing it, but once it starts flaking, that's when I know it's gone. But I use a different mascara today, and it's been fine so far. But what's your favorite mascara? Let me know. But what's your go-to mascara? But anyways, this is the go-to, the Removalist. Removalist. I don't know what it looks like. With kaolin, clay, and zinc. A detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. So Removalist. It's probably more like it removes all the ickies in your pores. Nice. I used to never reach for these types of masks, mostly because I was lazy and cheap masks were easier, but now I like those because I feel like I'm noticing more that since I've been lazy, my pores are clogged. Next up, we have Goldfaden MD Radical Different Advanced Antioxidant Serum. There it goes. And the last thing we have in here is this a little teeny itty bitty baby MAC Fix Plus. I need to look at it. I used to really like this product. I haven't used it in so long. Oh my god, wait. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. This is the smallest setting spray I've ever seen. It's so cute. Why are smaller things just so much cuter than larger things? Oh my god. I love that. But that is everything for my Ipsy Glam bag. And by the way, you can probably tell, but the theme this month is full hearts. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you, whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your fave rom-com. Treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. Yes. So true. Like, even if you're single like me, just treat yourself. Oh my god, I was thinking about, isn't Treat Yourself Day, from Parks and Rec? Is that what it's called? They said I think so. What day is it? Was that, or no, Glam... Sorry, my mind's all over the place. You guys are usually the first people I talk to of the day. I'm like, oh. But treat yourself day. We should just start a new one. I don't know what the date is. Someone tell me. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. The other thing I tried today was a palette, and I love like mythology, everything like that. And we have a palette here by Dido. It's Persephone. And first of all, the outer packaging is super pretty. And I definitely don't need any more eyeshadow palettes. I know, but if something is like moon related or goddess related or anything like that, I'm going to use it and love it. And look how beautiful. Persephone. So there's 12 shades in here, and I think it's really cool. The shade names are like the Greek alphabet, and there's a mirror, and look at how and look at how pretty it is around there. And here are the shades. So I used this shade mostly, and this shade, and a little bit of this. You can probably tell. So I didn't use the more like mauve shades, which I like always gravitate towards orangey shades now, but I kind of use, I use this pink matte too, but so far I really like it. One's a glitter, and I tried it for a second, but I was like, I'm not really a big glitter person. I feel like breaking out my glitter glue, but NYX glitter glue is definitely good for that, if you guys are into it, which is only like a few bucks and lasts forever. But yeah, packaging, A+. Palette is so far so good. Just I probably won't use that shade right there, but that's okay. Because the rest of the shades, yeah. And the textures of them are really nice, and I'm liking it. I'm liking the makeup. I haven't really done much eyeshadow lately, and this is making me want to do more, so yay. So far, that is my favorite item that I received in all the boxes, but we have a new product here, at least new to me, by Yensa. You guys know I love Yensa, and this is the Pink Lotus, and I love lotus flowers, Peptide Renewal Face Cream with the 8 Power Pink Essence. So I'm super excited to try this. Have you guys tried this yet? I'm guessing it's newer in their line because I haven't seen it before, but who knows? Maybe they've had this whole time, but it sounds great, and I'm probably going to use this one next for myself. So yay, treat yourself, Mom. Everything's pink. Look at like all the packaging of everything is just, God, I'm a sucker. But let's move on. So we got a pack of 3 brushes by Firma, and this is cool. They're different brushes. They're like detail brushes. So there's 3 of them, like I said. But each of them has its own function, and it's not just like the millionth, zillionth blender or packing brush, but I do go through those, so that's not bad. But so this one you can use for like smudging, or can you guys even? You can really do whatever. You can use one for your brow. And then this one's like a tiny packing brush. I don't know. Oh, does it say what they are? No. It doesn't matter. You can use brushes for anything, but yeah, definitely for detail work. So that's really cool. I'm like being inspired to do more intricate eye looks soon, which is like, I haven't done that in a while. I've just been like a quick get ready and go type, like not caring as much, but this is inspiring me, which is fun. And then we have 2 eyeliners from Beauty For Real. One is black and one is this like pink color. I almost used it today. Like I said this in a recent video, I think, but I want to start doing it again. Like I used to use lighter colors like this one. You can probably barely see it there. It's like a white, like off-white pinky color. But I like using those in my waterline. It makes you look a little bit more awake, so I might do that. Because like I was saying, I was decluttering my place last night, but I'm going to go through my drawers again just to check expiration dates and stuff like that and things. I don't think I've done that in like 5 months or so. So yeah, I'm probably going to keep this one. I may. The other one's called Night Fever. It looks black. Let's double check. Yes. So I'll probably give the black one away maybe just because I have other ones, and unless I like really love this formula, we'll see. But I'm excited about that. And then last but not least, the packaging of this is so cute. It's by Biro. You know how they have all like the food flavored things? They actually say salad infused beauty. And it's the fig renewal cream. First of all, I love figs, like not like that, but isn't this like just so cute? You can see like their names embroidered and whatever the word is there. But really, like if you look at the ingredients I did earlier, it's a lot of oils derived from things you would find in salad. Like beets. I want a beet salad with goat cheese. Every time I read the word beet, I'm like, I need that. And now I want fig Newtons and figs too, but like fig Newtons. It has all these nice oils in it. There is fragrance on the very bottom, but everything else just like quick glance looks good. It's free of mineral oil, benzophenone, parabens, phthalates, triclosan, and phenoxyethanol. So it says enhance your skin's hydration levels with a fresh, lightweight finishing oil that combines the power of fig, cica, which is why can't I think of what cica is? You guys probably know, but it's like a really good moisturizing skincare ingredient, like abbreviation of it, or form of it. Ceramides and a blend of red oxidant-rich superfoods for revitalized and regenerated skin. I hate when I can't think of things because, like, you know, in like 20 minutes I'll be like, say the name out loud and be like, well, who do I tell now? Like, let's look into this. I think this brand is pretty expensive. I've tried things from them before, and oh my god, I love how it looks. This is going on my little vanity in my bathroom or whatever counter. I'm a sucker for packaging, and everything's so pink and cute today, and I love it. I love it. But that was everything, you guys. Cute bags. Let me know what you think. What did you guys get in your Ipsy? I'm guessing not everyone's gotten theirs yet. These were my Ipsy PR bags, not sponsored or anything like that. So thank you, Ipsy. I loved it this month. Super into it. But what did you guys choose? Because I know you can customize your bags. Let me know. Maybe some of you guys are starting to get it. No, it's only the 2nd. No, it's the 1st. It's the 1st of February. Wow, I'm like kind of on top of unboxing lately, so. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you're doing. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and stuck around. And yeah, on that note, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace time. Bye.